The Nyotrap Youth Council met with the East Khasi Hills District Administration today, urging the need for proper records of refugees from Manipur. HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram said that it is necessary to maintain proper record keeping of the refugees to prevent criminal elements from using Shillong and Meghalaya as a safe haven. The HYC also requested the district administration to coordinate with Dorbashnongs and police stations to monitor and register refugees seeking shelter in the state amid the ongoing turmoil in Manipur.
Police department baki dia berfikir ya karung kami jo kini gibriu bayo baki ni gibriu ki bawan na kini giwi gi bayo baki ni gibriu ki bawan na kini giwi gi la hoi kila banwan hakadur jong kinong pedwer de kila pat ban sim kabu ya kani ka jaka ya ni ka lat ka bangingi ai ban chong bansa di kumba kalong menta na kaliang jo ka district administration kimdon ya kum kata record ban ong ba na kini gilai spatam kidai ginong hydrox ne kimdai ginong hydrox ngi ong ba ngidai ban long pikir pa yo bakita gibriu ki badon benta ka kam hydrox yo kisim kabu ya kani